Hey everyone, it's Kava Races fan again. Before we can begin, here's a few words from Gungster.
Make sure to tune in to Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Champions Cup the movie, featuring Bone Shaker, Race Ace, me, and Tiger Shark. Premiering on One Bag Ghoul Dynamite 2008's channel on June 11th, 2023. Hey, I'm gonna win that Champions Cup. It's your gunky boy Gunkster signing out. Goodbye, everybody.
Alright, now back on the way. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you my biggest project yet. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, it's gotta be perfect.
Whoa! What the hell was that?
It's gotta be perfect!
Yes! Yes! Oh, you did it! Our boss is back! Boss, what happened? Your eyes are red. Oh, that looks so cool. Alright, boss, what's our first orders? Oh, yeah, I like the sound of that, boss. But how much do you expect from us?
Listen to me, fools! It's gotta be perfect!
Really? You know, not everything in the world in your eyes has to be.
No! You nincompoop!
Hey, don't call my friend a nincompoop, boss! Besides, if you really want someone who's been acting aggressive lately, why not go and get SMG4?
SMG4? Eh?
It's like you said, boss. It's gotta be perfect. Yes. Oh boy, I can't wait to use this large speaker.
What up, idiot?
Gugster, what did you do that for?
I have terrible news. Terrible news. While I was drinking my soda, I saw some shadowy figure over the horizon. Gungster, what on earth are you talking about? I think the entity yelled, "It's gotta be perfect." Wait, what did he yell? He yelled, "It's gotta be perfect." Oh no. It's the perfectionist. Oh, I know that guy. I remember when he possessed One Bagul Dynamite 2008. I heard that he was going after SMG4 next. What? We can't let that happen. I'll assemble the rest of the monster trucks and we'll find a way through a portal to the Mushroom Kingdom. Follow me, Gungster. For our friend!